Join me as I dive into the wild world of time travel and see if I can figure out if it's actually possible. Time travel, the ultimate fantasy for many of us. Who wouldn't want to go back in time and witness historic events firsthand, or jump forward and see what the future holds? Science fiction has been exploring this concept for decades, from Doctor Who to Back to the Future, but is time travel really possible? When we think about time travel, we inevitably come across some major paradoxes. One of the most famous ones is the grandfather paradox. What if you went back in time and killed your own grandfather before he had children? That would mean you were never born, but if you were never born, then who killed your grandfather? It's a mind-bending puzzle that has sparked endless debates among physicists and philosophers alike. Another challenge is the issue of causality. If you were to travel back in time and change something, it's unclear what the consequences would be. Would the timeline you left behind continue to exist, or would it be altered in some way? And what about the Novikov self-consistency principle, which states that any events that occur through time travel have already occurred, and are therefore predetermined? It's enough to make your head spin. And then there's the problem of energy requirements. To power a time machine, you'd need an enormous amount of energy, far beyond what our current technology is capable of producing. It's not even clear what kind of energy we're talking about. Would it be a massive amount of electricity, or something more exotic like dark energy? Despite these challenges, some theories do suggest that time travel could be possible. For example, Einstein's theory of relativity shows that time is relative, and that it can be affected by gravity and motion. According to relativity, time can slow down or speed up depending on the observer's frame of reference. This has already been demonstrated in the real world. Atomic clocks on GPS satellites, for instance, run slower than their counterparts on Earth due to the effects of gravity. Another theory that gets tossed around is wormholes. Imagine 2 points in space-time connected by a tunnel or wormhole. If you could travel through this tunnel, you could potentially emerge at a different point in space and time. The idea of wormholes is based on some serious math and has been explored in various areas of physics, from general relativity to quantum mechanics. Some theories even propose the existence of black holes as potential time machines. If you could survive the intense gravitational forces near a black hole, you could potentially use it to travel through time. It's a far-out idea, but some physicists think it's worth exploring. Recently, scientists have been exploring the concept of quantum entanglement and its potential applications to time travel. Essentially, entanglement is a phenomenon where two particles become connected in such a way that the state of one particle affects the state of the other, no matter the distance between them. Some researchers have suggested that entanglement could be used to send information through time, effectively allowing for communication with the past or future. One breakthrough idea that's gained significant attention is the concept of gravitational time dilation. According to this idea, massive objects like black holes or neutron stars warp space-time in such a way that time passes differently near them. In theory, if you could create a device that generates a powerful gravitational field, you could potentially use it to travel through time. In conclusion, while time travel remains purely theoretical, the ongoing debate among scientists and the various theories that have been proposed are undeniable. Whether or not time travel is possible remains to be seen, but one thing's for sure: the idea continues to fascinate and inspire us to explore the mysteries of the universe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on time travel in the comments below. Do you think it's possible, or is it just a pipe dream? Let me know, and if you have any other topics you'd like me to explore in future videos, feel free to suggest them as well.